All right, so today we're going to do a bit of an unboxing here of the Golden State Warriors championship ring. As you can see, it comes in this nice box right here. It denotes the 2017 and 18 back-to-back champions on it. Note this is the replica ring. This is not the original. We've been in Bay Area for 47 seasons. And, you might just want to read this, Laker fans. Yeah. And six-time champions here. So let's go ahead. We'll just click this box open real quickly here. We'll pull this out here. Oh, got this handy little thing. What do we have here? Oh, no. All right, so let's pop this right out of the box. We'll just unwrap this nicely. It's got this beautiful little stand. Why don't we just go ahead and take a look at it on the ground real quick before we go ahead and put it on. But as you can see, it's a really lovely looking ring here. We've got these two trophies here that signify back to back. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the ring. It's a lovely piece here. Let's see here. Oh, yep. It's got the record on it. Kind of a suspect record, to be honest, but I think they were on cruise control for a lot of the season. And, we'll just go ahead and pop it off there. Got the record of the playoff series. Kind of really easy going. And then we got this one here, back to back, 47 seasons. So we'll just go ahead and pop it on our middle finger. Yeah. How's that right there? It's a good look right there. Good look. The city. World champions. Are we going to three-peat?